The average person can only remember about 60% of what happened to them yesterday. Don't hold your tears. According to studies, crying actually reduces your depression, sadness, and relieves your mind. So don't hold back your tears. Unexpressed emotions never die. They temporarily go away, but tend to be more painful once they come back. Never beg for a friendship or a relationship with anyone. If you don't receive the same effort you give, cut them off. Finding love is all about timing. Psychology says that it's possible to find the right person, but at the wrong time. Falling in love is easy. Staying in love is a challenge. Letting go is hard, and moving on is the hardest. A hug longer than 20 seconds will release chemicals into your body that make you trust the person you are hugging. Our mind has the ability to detect and sense danger. If your gut tells you something's wrong, never ignore that feeling. Psychology says the person who tries to keep everyone happy often ends up feeling the loneliest. Humans mostly like to hear about themselves, so if you want to impress a person, then talk more about that person. Positive emotions enhances the brain's ability to make good decisions. Insulting your boyfriend after breakup and exposing his past in front of others fails you as a human. Remember that. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Always remember that it is okay to be sad after making the right decision. Psychology says raising your voice at children causes long-term damage to their emotional health. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take, relationships we were afraid to have, and the decisions we waited too long to take. Learn to wait. There's always time for everything. Psychology says when a girl is acting like she doesn't care about you anymore, that's when she needs you the most. Psychology says late-night phone and text conversations tend to be the best. Relationships are like birds. If you hold on tightly, they die. If hold them loosely, they fly away, but you hold them with care and love, they remain with you forever. You can't stop a person from doing what they want to do. They'll start lying to you to continue doing it. When a man looks at a woman whom he finds highly attractive, the region of the brain that deals with fear becomes more active. There's a story behind every person. There's a reason why they're the way they are. Pain alters our personality. Don't love what you can't trust. Don't hate what you can't have. Don't say what you can't show. Don't judge what you don't know. Psychology says you can't make the same mistake twice. The second time you make it, it's no longer a mistake, it's a choice. A kiss can be 10x more effective than morphine in reducing pain, as it's thought that it activates the natural painkiller. Psychology says you get depressed because you know that you're not what you should be. Being single will save you 1,000 times more stress than being in the wrong relationship. New psychology research provides insight into the impact of sexual passion styles among long-term couples. Too much control over one's sexual passion harms the sexual satisfaction of both partners. Don't chase people. Be you. Do your own thing and work hard. The right people who belong in your life will come to you and stay. Narcissism reduces the quality of long-term friendships. Study finds if someone tells you they had a crush on you in high school, they usually still have it. Study identifies factors that influence the link between men's body esteem and their ability to enjoy their sexuality. Did you know when she is happy, she can't stop talking? When she is sad, she doesn't say a word. Worst prison, the worst prison in the world is a home without peace. Be carefully who you marry or fall in love with. One should never trust a woman who speaks of her real age, a woman who would tell one that would tell one everything. Getting married at age 25 or older significantly decreases risk of divorce by over 60%. You will experience your billionth second of life when you are 31 years old. Psychology says forgiving is not forgetting. It's letting go of the hurt. People tend to perceive someone with a lower-pitched voice to be more dominant and extrovert. Psychology says the best things in life are usually found when you are not looking for them.